Hello and welcome to another video. It's been a while I don't do any videos. I've been a bit off and on the bike, but today I want to make a nice review, first ride review about my new wheels, the lightweight Meileinstein Evo. I hope I pronounced that correct. I am going to show you the wheels very soon. I'm gonna reach to a spot where I can film. I'm just gonna talk about them. I just installed them yesterday. I got them yesterday, and I had my first ride last night, and I reached I was riding on the track, the cycling track, and I reached to a point where there was a race. I didn't know there is a race, so it told me. So I joined the race, and they did amazing for a 28-kilometer ride. It was a time trial. I finished in 44.23 minutes with an average speed of 37.7, but I felt the wheels so amazing, like cutting through the air so good. They are not very aero wheels, they are 48mm deep, but they feel amazing. Like the riding difference between these wheels and the ones that I had before, the Bora Campagnolo. So, lightweight Meileinstein Evo, 48mm deep section. They look amazing on any bike, I would say. The price tag is pretty high. I got this ones, I'm very lucky that I live in Qatar. I got this ones without the 19% VAT tax that you pay in Europe. I got them shipped from Italy, and I paid 4,400 euro. The price tag is pretty high, and I was not expecting to see any difference in riding style. I was riding the Campagnolo Bora wheels, 60mm deep section before, and I was thinking I would not feel any big difference because I'm not a pro rider. But oh my god, the first ride last night, it was wow, just wow. The way they roll, you don't hear them at all. You don't hear that wind noise that other wheels are doing. It's just amazing. A little bit about the technology that is put into the wheels. So they come with carbon spokes, very high quality carbon fiber. It's used in this. They are handmade, hand built in Germany as well. The hubs, they come carbon, and they are using DT Swiss technology. I'm going to show you the other side. It is written somewhere. Here is the name, Meileinstein Evo. I hope I'm pronouncing this correct. They are super light. They come in 1,370 grams, like almost 400 gram lighter than my other wheels. So I guess that's why the ride, it's feeling so different. Some people would say they don't look pretty good on an aero bike, because as you can see, the venge is a bit beefy here and as well here, but I do like the look on this aero bike. Yeah, of course they would look better on a SL7, which is a bit thinner, but I love them. I don't want to change my Venge. I will never change this bike because they don't produce it anymore, so it's a pretty amazing bike. I don't want to lose this frame, and I love the color as well, the color scheme on it. It's dove gray, it has some sparkling on it, it's pretty amazing. The front wheel as well, a very thick hub. I just love how they look. I am running Continental Grand Prix 5000 S tubeless ready tires. I always ride tubeless, and my friend Costin, the one who got me the wheels, find me the deal, is the one who installed them as well, and he said they are pretty easy to install. He didn't use levers at all, because anyway on these tires it's pretty complicated to use tire levers, and it's quite dangerous to not break the rims. So that's pretty much about these wheels. I'm gonna keep riding them and tell you more about it in the next videos, but until now I really love them. Obviously these wheels are made for climbing, and here in Qatar we do not have hills or mountains, but we have winds, and this 48mm dip section, I believe it's perfect when you have side winds or headwinds. So I believe I'm gonna enjoy them. As well, I'm traveling to Europe in summer, where I'm going to be testing the real deal of these wheels. But till now, second ride, and I'm enjoying them a lot. I'm riding a bit bumpy road now, and they feel pretty comfortable at low speeds, which is good. I enjoy them. Of course, I should. For this price, I should enjoy them. I did find a nice spot here without wind, and look at this view. Amazing. I'm filming with the Insta360. This camera is just wow, for vlogging, for Instagram posts, YouTube videos. What do you think about these wheels? Do you like them? Would you spend this amount of money on some wheels that some people would say is just bling bling? But I don't know, you tell me in the comments. And of course, let's give it a hub review, how the hub sounds. Let's hear it. Nice. Okay, so that's it for today. I'm gonna keep riding the bike for like 1 hour more on a bumpy road to see how it feels. Hope you enjoyed this. It's a small review until now. If you like these kits, it's a Veloracer company. I'm gonna put a link in the description, down in the description, so you can order them. They ship worldwide. Fast shipping within 5 to 7 days, and yeah, get in touch with them. If you are local, make sure to get the best kit in town, Veloracer.